Hi, in this video we're going to explain how to solve quarter 3 project for grade 7. You're gonna find the project on week 9. Open the assignment and click on the assignment guide. You're gonna find the assignment guide here. In question 1 you need to find out if we are on budget or over budget. Start answering by clicking our spreadsheet here. It will be downloaded to your download. Open your sheet. It's named over budget practice. In the sheet you're gonna find our expected expenses when we started a project and what are the actual expenses. You need to find out if we are on budget or we are over budget. You need to create an Excel formula to solve that problem. As we said in class, to start any equation in Excel or any formula, you have to start by typing equal. So I placed my mouse on cell D2, type equal, then select the project expenses, the expected one, minus the actual expenses, and click enter. If we got a minus number, so we are over budget. We spend more than we expected. There is no need to repeat the same equation for row number 3. We're going to place our mouse on the corner of the cell that has the equation, cell D2, and fill handle or go down to repeat the equation. If you clicked here, you can see that this equation came from deducting cell B4 and cell C4. This one came from cell B6 and C6. Okay. The second requirement is to make your over budget items more noticeable. You can filter the data to only show rows that have negative results, or you can add conditional format to make the negative cells red. What we're going to do is use a filter by selecting column D from data tab. Click filter, data tab, filter. Okay. Now you're having an arrow here. When you click that arrow, you're having a drop down menu. Deselect all, then select only the minus values and click OK. Now you can see only the 4 negative values. Close and make sure to save your sheet, as we're going to submit the 4 of them. Click save, then open page 2 for question 2. Download the sheet as well as we did last time. Click our spreadsheet and open your sheet. Sorry. In the sheet you need to calculate the discount percentage out of the total original. Place your mouse on discount, click equal to start your equation. This is my total multiplied by, the multiply is the asterisk sign. You can add it by selecting shift and number 8 multiplied by 15%. In decimal it's 0.15 and click enter. Now you're having the discount itself. I need to know the total after discount equal the original total minus the discount. Okay, and we're done with question 2. Percent off and click save. This is question 3 on page 3. He's asking to one of your friends wants to find out which player scored the most points total over these 5 games. So you need to apply a conditional format to highlight the highest values. First of all, click our practice sheet and open it. It's named Basketball Statistics, and requirement number 1, every time you're having the option asking you to enable data, click enable data. He's asking to make a conditional format to highlight the highest score or differentiate the highest scores. We can select the whole scores by clicking the first one and keep on selecting, or in the cell bar you can type the first cell you need to select, cell B12, cell B2, and the last one is cell F9. Write A2 colon is here, A2 shift, and this sign, this is colon, F9, enter. Sorry, I have to select from B2 to F9. I wrote A2, F9. Okay, this is selected. Then I'm going to Home tab, Conditional Formatting. Okay, go for icon sets. You can use any kind of conditional formats. You may add a color scale, or you may add icon sets. I'm gonna go for the indicators one. Now you can see 3 different icons. True means the score is a high score. Exclamation, it's an average score. Cross or wrong, it means we are having a very small score. Okay, this is for requirement number 1. For requirement number 2, we need to create a chart to visually compare the result. So select your data and select them all, and make sure to include the headers and the names of the players. From insert tab, this one, go for recommended charts. Select any type of charts you wish. We can go for the chart title. Here he is recommending different types of charts. We're gonna select chart title and click on the chart title. I'm gonna name it Basketball Scores. Okay. For question number 4, the movie ticket. This is a very easy one. You need to click on our practice sheet and open it. Enable editing first. For the total cost, we need to calculate the total cost of the tickets by multiplying the number of tickets by their price per ticket. 11.75 is the cost of one ticket, and 4 is the number of tickets we need. So for the total cost, equal this one multiplied by this one, enter. Total leftovers equal the total budget minus the total cost, clicking enter, and we're done with the 4 questions. Close, save. Make sure that you saved the 4 sheets. Close and save. Okay, all of them are in my downloads, so I'm going to open the downloads. Okay, they are 1 2 3 4 sheets. I'm going to create a new folder. Okay, change its name to be project. And take all of our sheets, right click, cut, open your folder, paste them inside your folder, selecting your folder itself, right click and add to project. This one should be submitted to the BLB. Okay, I'm gonna try to open a student account to show you how to submit. Okay, to submit, click on the assignment and click here to submit. Add PDF. Make sure to change the Adobe Acrobat to be all files so you can see our compressed file with any extension compress or WinRAR archive, and then click to submit.